Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 7th of January 2020 Shift 1 question number 15. If distance between the focus of an ellipse is 6, distance between its directrix is 12, then length of its reta sectum is 4 options are given. This is the problem is come from the house of conics. At first, we draw the ellipse. Here is the two axis, and this is our given ellipse. AE minus AE comma 0 and AE comma 0 are the two focus. So, distance between the focus of the ellipse is 6. So distance between the focus of the ellipse is equal to 2AE, and 2AE is given 6. Therefore 2AE is equal to 6. This is our equation number 1. And between the directrix, here is the directrix, and it is equal to x is equal to A by E. We know the directrix is plus minus A by E. So distance between the two directrices is equal to 2A by E is equal to 12 is given. This is our equation 2. Now we want to this is asked that length of the lateral rectum is what? Length of the lateral rectum, length of lateral rectum LR is equal to 2B square divide A. Now we want A. So it is essential to eliminate E as from 1 AE is equal to 3. Therefore A is equal to 3 E is equal to 3 by A, and from 2 E is equal to also E is equal to 2A divide 12. Therefore that implies 3 by A is equal to A by 6. That implies A is equal to 18. So our A is equal to, our A square, A into A square. So A square is equal to 18. Now B is equal to, for squaring 1 we get AE is equal to 9. A square is equal to 9. Squaring 1 we get 1 square, that is given A square is equal to 9. We know A square is equal to A square minus B square. So that is equal to 9. Implies we know the value of a square is equal to 18. So 18 minus b square is equal to 9 also. Therefore b square is equal to 9. So a square is equal to 18 and b square is equal to 9. So our latest rectum LR is equal to LR is equal to 2b square divide a. Therefore 2 into 9 divide a is equal to root of 18. Therefore 2 into 9 divide 3 root 2. 3 and it is root. So latest rectum is equal to 3 root 2 and we reached. This is our required answer and our option is option 2, 3 root 2. So here is the whole problem. Any questions about this problem, any query, just comment me in the comment box. That's all.